Hello friends, Indrila from Moorpunk Design, Craft Tata, New Delhi. Today I'm showcasing very limited saris which would actually, can serve as a lovely Onam sari. They can serve the purpose of a lovely Onam sari. So these are, there are a few whites also, in addition to the Kasavus in Kerala. The Onam is on 26th August in this month. So whoever is interested can let me know. And so I'll start with the Onam saris. So the first one is a Kerala Kasavu with hand painting. Kerala Kasavu with hand painting. Absolutely mind-blowing painting. So this is, and as well you can actually drape these saris for Ganpati also, because the Ganpati is also not very far. And our festival starts always with Ganesh Puja. All our celebration festivals always starts with Ganesh Puja. So this is a very beautiful, and the quality of this Kasavu is absolutely majestic. I mean, you see the kasavus on, in normally in the run-on-the-mill collections and shops and all, but these kasavus are absolutely, when you touch it, when you feel it, when you see it, you understand what is the, they're simply majestic. So this is the palla, where this Ganesha is basically a rock cut, influence of the Ganesha idol. It is it's a very Pallavas and that kind of iconography. I mean that time this rock cut Ganesha figurine used to be made. So if you can see, so this is the combination, and it is completely done by a watercolor effect. So that is the Ganesha. If I just show it properly, so that's the frame. That is the frame. So that's the frame, complete frame. So that's a complete palla. Very beautiful, and one of its kind. And of course, at Moorpunk Design, you definitely know that quality is never compromised, nor for the painting, nor for the art, nor for the fabric, the material which we are using, the textile, everything. So this comes on your lower border. So this floral pattern comes on your lower border. So this is the floral pattern which comes on your lower border, and so this is the pleat part. So that's the pleat part. Uh, so when you do the pleating, there is a light starch, but then that's always good. But see how beautifully you can do the pleating. So your lower pleats will have this, this look, this flowers, this lotus flowers in lovely shading, lovely shading. See the lotus flowers. See, absolutely lovely shading. So that's the sari. That is the whole concept of the sari. And rich rose gold kind of a border, tissue border, and the blouse is this. So the whole sari has a greyish tone hand painting, hand dye, completely hand done. There is no dye or anything, so that comes on your back, and this side you would get two lotus flowers on your sleeves, these two lotus flowers on your sleeves. So that's the complete sari. For Onam, particularly on the Kasavus, there is a, for Onam special saris, there is a discount offered. So this saris would, this is 7200, on which there is a 10% discount offered on this because of the Onam festival. So these Kasavu saris have 10% off. These Kasavu saris have 10% off. So 720 would be, the 720 will be deducted from 7200. I'm not good at maths. Please do the calculation. And the shipping would be extra. The shipping will be extra. So this is sari number 1. These paintings are completely, they are totally at the level of museum, museum paintings. I mean, in the sense that where you get to see such paintings in the art gallery. So such kind of paintings are these. So that's another. So this is a scenery. This is a lemon yellow sari. This is a lemon yellow shading. Again, a complete hand shading, and that's a scenery. So that is a Chinese scenery on the palla. Chinese scenery on the palla. absolutely majestic. When you see from a closer distance, see the flowers, see this the lavender, the cherry blossom kind of flowers in peach and lavender shade. So that's a whole scenery on the palla, and that is the whole sari with this, this kind of flowers on your pleats, this kind of flowers on your pleats. This will keep going, this will keep going. So your pleats will have this kind of floral motifs, and the whole sari will be like this. And it's a big sari, absolutely big, lavish, I would say. The blouse piece is in peach shade. See how beautiful the lemon and the peach is coming. This is the lemon, the body color, and this is the peach color. So how beautiful this peach color is coming. See, so that is the peach shade, and so that's the combination. That's the back, that's the back. You can give this painting will come. So this is a peach and lemon green, soft lemon green. This is peach, that's a soft lemon green. Sorry. Okay, so that is second one, and the price range remains the same. This is 6650. This is 6650. That is Ganesha. That's why a little more. This is 6650 minus 10%. Minus 10%. Another Ganesha. This is in Pattachitra art. Another Ganesha. This is in Pattachitra art format. Pattachitra art. See the Ganesha. I haven't showcased it yet as such. I mean, not in any video. So that's another Ganesha. See the majestic painting on your palla. This is a Pattachitra, Pattachitra painting of Ganesha, and so the whole body has this kind of peach, light peach to dark peach, and beige shading. So this is the lotus. See the lotus as if they are really absolutely fresh bloom. See the lotus, the karigari and the painting completely within rhythm, balance, and the look is majestic. You can gift these sarees to your mother, to your family people, to your friends, or to drape yourself. I mean, so that's the, see how tall are they? Very tall, nice sarees. You get of these very many versions of these kasavus. So but these are the real beauty, these are the real beauty. So that's on the pleats, and on your sleeves and back, the blouse actually, that's in, I have kept it white because the body has this kind of shading. So this is the blouse piece, 2 lotus on your sleeves and 1 on your back, I think. This is the back one. So this also is priced at 7200. Sorry, 6650. No, this is 6650. This is 6650 minus 10% plus shipping. So these are the 3 kasavus for Onam, and there is another kasavu. Again, I tell you, this is not of that quality as I have shown. So this is a, this is a cut paste kind of a work which called Baul design from Shantiniketan. That is also on kasavu, but this kasavu quality is not as rich as that, and also pricing wise this is less, much less. So so that's another. So that's another. That is the palla. So these are basically cut paste of those printed fabric. So it's a nice concept, nice colorful concept. See, I'm also looking nice, and but those sarees are class apart. There is no question on that. So this is like this. So that's the pleat. That's the pleat part. So this is the pleat, and the blouse comes. This doesn't have a blouse actually. This doesn't have a blouse. So I can team up any blouse with this, or you can go for any color, red, magenta, blue. See, there are a number of colors. So the blouse is not much required with this. So this sari is priced at 2880. 2880. And this is another Begumpuri. I think I was planning to do a full Begumpuri video, but then I think almost many of my Begumpuris are sold. So this is a Begumpuri, and this is a luxurious Begumpuri and a brand new creation for this celebration, for the festival. So if I just open it, so this is the Begumpuri. Begumpuri is a Bengal weave, Bengal handloom weave. So that is the block which comes here. See the block design. Can you see the block design? So that's the palla, that is the palla, that is the majestic palla. This is the palla design, which is in weave. This is completely in weave, and that is the front part, which is in a block design. And see the rest of the sari, see the rest of the sari. Whoever loves black, white, steel grey should never leave this back. Cannot, actually cannot afford to leave this back. So this is like, that's, so that would be the pleats, that would be the sari. So that is the look of the sari. So that is the that is the block part, navy blue and maroon. That is the palla. So that is the whole concept of the sari. See the sari. So that's like, this is an Ajrak inspired hand block we have given in this panel design, and the blouse is a Pedna Kalamkari natural dye hand block printed blouse piece. Okay, so that is the sari. There is no discount on this, and the sari is priced at 5800. 5800, no discount. Another white sari. If somebody wants to wear on Onam anything other than Kasavu, that's why I'm showing all the whites. There are a few more whites actually. Today my girl is on leave, and that's why I can't showcase much. Anyway, so this is a beautiful fish border, and so this is a Ganga Jamuna style I have given with blocks only. So the border remains like this, very smart. The lower block is in rust color, this is in sea green color, and that is the palla, and the whole sari has this. So this kind of concept. The center part is, and there are weaving all through the sari with small dots, and so that's the combination. Very smart, very smart sari. And so these two colors also will look so beautiful. See, and this is the blouse. So this is the blouse piece. I have given a block design in the blouse piece. Also this block is actually ilkal, it's an ilkal fabric. It's an ilkal fabric where the border is like this. The one side is the border and one side is this block print with the sari. This sari is priced at 3850, 3850, which is also not with any discount, so 3850. So that's the sari, and that is the blouse piece. Okay friends, so see you soon, and let me know if anybody is interested.